That's true.
Skilly is a far more international artist than Alkaline. If Alkaline is able to put 13,000 people on a venue, why we can't see over so? I do nothing international.
Yes, but
A few moments later.
Skillibeng have some big international collaborations. But can Skillibeng put on a new rules?
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
That's what I say we can flip the coin and say Alkaline can pull 30,000, but can he do what Skillibeng is doing right now internationally?
Him not get no collabs. Yeah.
You remove your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox. How we the latest news them lock.
Don't know one Media Fox pan it up, you know. Yeah, man. So people, we see JA Radio and him wife forward out. People, I lose off a JA Radio. Big time, bro. Bro, you say if I vendetta people, let me try call out, brother. If I this way you try get a clout or something, bro. I'm madness, brother. Them information we are spread, brother. Remember say people are listening to no dog and people will listen to and think say a true not that, bro. I don't want there upon the media spread some nonsense, bro. You see me? We kinda lose off of you with what you say, bro. That a madness because you have vlog for years now. And you're supposed to know better, fam. You understand? Cause them thing they know what you put out there, bro, and a joke thing, bro. You see me? Cause we fool people and then when the result for sure, like, bro, artists get flap and people get wrong information and that. But people are going in a video. You see me? I'm gonna see what I go on.
The man himself, Alkaline, the man of the moment right now. I know as per usual, I will start off by congratulating Alkaline.
Of course.
You know what I mean?
One of the youngest dancehall artists to sell out the Barclays Center without the controversy of just coming out of prison and all of that. No shade, just stating facts, guys. I mean,
not one of the youngest. The youngest. You understand? The youngest. So dancehall we are talking about. The youngest. Not one of the youngest. Because we don't have no young artists that do it. And him are the youngest that do it. You see me?
he did it with pretty much nothing,
Yeah,
right?
honestly.
Other than his music and the whole mysterious crap, he did it. Congrats.
And before going live with the people, remember, you don't know the album out. NTP Alkaline album, buy and stream. Remember that, promotional purposes. See, and look here now. You don't know, them did a run for the Gaza thing for years now, and I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened, people. It's like, yo, the way them did Cartel and that video, I say, yo, John, who did I use Cartel and Cartel wasn't an artist back then. Wanna vent for every little thing, but everything changed now, the Jaja. But people, tune into the video, it's gonna be interesting.
Alkaline is a 1 in a million, 1 in a lifetime, like lightning strike type of
He's a unicorn.
He's a unicorn in dancehall. It's someone that I never see.
Yeah.
I can't think of another artist similar to him because even Vybz Kartel, one of the greatest we ever do it.
Yeah.
We see Vybz Kartels come up and we say, yo, people can say, yo, I'm getting it off of the strength of a bounty killer and everything. Talent shine through and everything, but you don't know, say, yo.
Yeah.
Based on all of the links, them and all of the association and all of the crew and click and everything, all of them think they play a factor.
Yeah.
But we see, the moment Alkaline coming to dancehall, bro, he was the most hated dancehall artist ever.
Yeah, and I mean, he prided.
So wait there. Yo, I'm glad say, I don't know, I don't know if I'm a Gaza or my crooks now, but we know say back in the days I Gaza I'm a rep for. But I'm glad say him himself said because he was part of the fight and part of the hate. You understand? Yeah. But people, a bag of thing I talk in that video. I just want to listen to what I go on. You understand?
He prided himself on being it. Like he loved that.
He wanted it to be that way.
Yeah, but I think it worked in his favor.
Yeah, at first artist come out of the gate and position himself as a rival to the biggest artist in the dancehall.
Yeah.
At first, when I see it, I say, yo, that brother is mad. Where because you talking from? Look at Morgan Youth.
Right? How dare you?
Oh.
But it worked. It actually worked.
If dancehall never work out for Alkaline, he would be a marketing genius right now.
Yeah.
Marketing has brought Alkaline to this level. And what you say, yo, him sell out the Barclays, not an easy feat.
But I mean, he's not a dunce, right?
Brother, music care the youth. You understand? Music. You see me? At the end of the day, brother, when Alkaline just forward out, you see me? And like him did a try go against Cartel. You just get him attention, him put in the contact lens and him get attention. But at the get-go, when him start do the interview, them did a try make him bow down to Cartel. I try ask him if Cartel is special to him, and the youth say, yo, no, him not really have that feeling the finna guy are. You understand? Him respect him like every other artist. You see it? So that was the problem. Him never try go off a Gaza and nobody. The Gaza people, them see that now and say him a this Cartel, which is not this. Him say him respect Cartel like any other artist. You understand what happened? Everybody I get respect. It's just that maybe him not give a special respect to him. You see me?
We know that. Saw him on what? School challenge quiz.
Yeah.
A bright boy for a long time. I think he knows what he's doing. Both good and bad publicity is still publicity, and he uses that to his advantage. But sometimes we feel like him push the needle a little bit too far.
Yeah. Honestly,
Yeah.
me used to question the youth there. Until me say, every time they say, yo, bro, this not gonna work, and then it prove me wrong and it does work.
Yeah.
It sure we say, yo, we really don't know. It's like you see in some different binary code we don't see. You know what I say?
As I say, it's a unicorn, man.
It's a
Like,
unicorn. Now,
whatever.
Yes, cause seeing so them say him never would have sell out Barclays Center and look at it now. I'm telling you already, bro. Una always talk about 2016. I'm tell you, so una lock up in a 2020 vision thing, Una now see the future. The youth see the future, That's why I'm saying everything will make sense soon. Una see Barclays Center and they're more to forward. You understand? Because una not understand what plan the youth you have. But you just go see it. Remember, man tell you, Is it success are one of the best revenge? That me I tell you.
Learn for the way we want to do.
Yeah.
But I don't know. We still have to give you advice. I think the problem with Alkaline, right? We can't have to talk about even the most recent project. The NPT album. One of the most controversial album in the dancehall's history. Maybe that's something they wanted. Who knows the intention? You get what I say?
The thing is too, Alkaline, him love attention, certain kind of attention. Like
Negative,
with
some would say.
him love negative attention. I feel like, and I think him realize the whole psychology behind human beings, right? We know.
What kind of statement that you know make? Alkaline love negative attention? Or are the people them always a put negative attention around him? I don't understand that. What you mean? The youth not do social media and them thing. What you mean by negative attention? Bro, are people run with that? Yeah, remember say some of the time. Remember the time people in Hurricane, right? Hurricane Melissa last year, and every artist I would do what them have to do. Seeing all of them are do it, them want everybody see what them are doing. Yeah, fine, and them are help the people, right? True, them not see Alkaline now. Because them want Alkaline to roll out like everybody. You see me and follow everybody. Seeing which them cuss out Alkaline, them a say, yo, if you do that on him keep show a Trillani and him not give back nothing where him dead this and that. Knowing say the youth not really do them thing to them. No say Alkaline will come out in the public like that. You understand? So that starts spread a negative thing now for make it look like say the youth no rate nobody and the youth now contribute, which youth a contribute for years. The youth a give the blind people them 1 million, him a give the homes people them. You understand? A lot of things, cancer patients, same way. The youth been a do it, but look at now people. So when Alkaline sister forward out now and start donate and everything, everybody silent. So much a them a run with the negativity. Cause when the youth do it now, them don't highlight it, When them see say every artist a do it and Alkaline no forward out in the media, them turn to a negative thing, say, yo, him no rate people, see him no rate people, that's why I'm not doing it. But when the youth team, him sister and him team, them come out with it and go, I think them go Trinidad after. That's half of the internet hype and every little thing, you see me package giving out and things, see? Them forward out and donate to some people in a children and everything. Me not see enough of them no run with it. So me realize them only call out Alkaline when it make it seems like him nah do nothing. But when him a do things now, them nah highlight it. When him a do good things, them nah highlight it. You see me? So when you go say negativity, and the people them a put that around him, can't remember the youth in me. You think the youth in the media, everything I try say things are this nobody for draw negative things. And them a put it around and make it seem that way there.
That people pay attention more to negativity. It is a known fact. We know that. When things are positive and going well for you, people ignore it. But make a mix up. Viral instantly. So I feel like him just capitalize on that constantly. Him see it work over and over and him might do it. But sometimes it's just a little bit too much for me. Right? And especially when it comes to influence, because music is very influential. And this generation, the young generation right now, the things that them consume, it not look good, man.
But maybe Alkaline say, all right, him see what the generation consume, and him is a person where him no want to market or try to sell and people think, sell off. That's what I did there. Him want to make sure.
So wait there, Alkaline are the only artist in a dancehall where people look up to? And them do something in a dancehall where would influence on the youth them? I don't understand this. Look how much artists, even the artists want to usually rep Cartel. What I talk about? When only did I rep him back then, cause maybe not get an interview or something or what, I don't know. You understand, making in on the feelings. But back then when I rep the Gaza thing, Cartel did I do the same thing too? Cartel never have influence on the youth them. Only did I call him out? Only did I call him out them time there? Nah, hypocrite, brother.
The project sell off, so I'm going to put out a product when no say the youth never consume because they tune in with the culture, right? This is why I'm there for so long, and this is why we don't even know kind of, the man just out here by himself in the shadows and I run circles around everybody. I'm going to just call it as it is.
That is true. Without, all right. And the reason why I respect the movement we have even though we all know say he's not really hot in terms of hit songs in a while, but it not take away nothing from him in terms of being an artist, a relevant artist, because him cult no normal.
So we talk about the music 1 second though, because the album drop and I think it a score. Zin, go on talk about the album for a second. The album drop, I'm kind of conflicted about the album. I'm conflicted why? Because it wasn't what I expected. I think when I hear the album drop, I kind of picture next new level unlock.
Yeah.
You see me? So this album NPT drop. I don't feel like I don't think this gonna be a classic, right? It's gonna be a talked about album, but it's not a classic. We're not getting no city. We're not getting them bad songs that we get, you know?
Bro, yo, man, I tell you, you see, Una dog, trust me, Una like changes. Because if Alkaline did bring back the same vibes from last back then, you know what Una say? Una would say, yo, this sound like the same album, you know. Yo, him should do something different. Bro, Una can't please. Una just always move the goalpost, brother. Una always move the goalpost. You see me? Una always move. So, it no matter what the youth do, una go criticize it, una go say this, una go say that. But at the end of the day, una still una there talk about the album. You understand? They are talk about the album.
The 2016 song, we definitely never get that for this album, right? But like I said, times change. And I'm put out things by the youth and can meditate to.
Okay, I understand that, but is this what the youth are consuming now though? Because, alright, if you think about what Skipper and, you know, the man they put out right now, it's still not in that line. Like, yeah, the griminess is there.
What the rotted this me hear from the girl? Eh? How are going sir? Skipper, the young youth them? The young youth them where I tell about them pissing a girl mouth and them thing there? Eh? Me see Alkaline drop good song people, Blanco, Priority, and the way the man them beat the song. Now him a do raunchy song you know. Oh, yo, you know say, yo, this no good, you know, this and that. Una can't please. Like it no matter what Alkaline do, una go always have something to say. When the youth are sing quality song for the girls, Priority, and Blanco, y'all never get rich, go around the world. Una never say nothing, you know. But soon as the man drop Wet Wall and them song there and Ropin and all of them little song there, una have something to say. So when him drop the good song them, una talk about it at the back song them. It shows that una run with negativity. You understand? Because at the end of the day, the young youths them no better, brother. Them no better. At them more raunchy and them thing there with the girl them. At that me I tell you, so you stay there.
Raunchiness is there, and I think that's where it's relatable. But in terms of hearing a song where, yo, this is a hit, or I'm gonna play the song over and over, or you have to hear it a bang out in the club, no really.
Yo, you see that? You see she. You me realize she you could have called her Harry with the nightly fix. She kind of be like the twin, but she not have too much percentage. She kind of little more sense than Harry, yeah.
I'm trying to show you. You see, us sometimes as consumers, especially elderly, we have family and kids and everything, is that we can put our mindset inside. Remember, you have to Skipper waste man artist and sing about too much profanity and devil and all of them something.
Yeah.
Yet still, the kids them say one of the biggest artists in Jamaica.
That's true. Definitely the maturity level definitely changed things.
And as I said, the way how we know it is that we have to start unravel for mind, to focus on look on it, say, yo, maybe what we didn't think album supposed to be, it is not that anymore. It's like we have to start. No, it's like that's the big man thing, the bullshit, big man thing. No, I got you, me.
Yo, Wiz, you have to stop it, bro. Now that man, boy. No way the man upon him live, I play the song them. And I vibe to the song them with the album. I don't understand this. That brother, yeah, I don't know, Wiz. I don't know that. I don't know if I try to get the vendetta people them real up, bro. But you see, me deal with real information, brother. You understand? That me deal with.
I think we have the right concept of what an album is supposed to be. The thing is with Alkaline,
people listen to this, you know, because them kind of push the crux, you know. Yeah, them kind of push the crux. So listen.
He's known for changing things. He's known for being innovative. And I think that's what he's doing. And maybe it'll take some time for us to kind of catch on to that, or maybe, you know, say, okay, this can work. But we do have the right mindset of an album. You want to hear, because honestly,
if you can't change things, it won't. Remember, I said the tree have a change leaf for growing up. Remember, say while you grow, your body change, everything change upon you while you are growing up. You understand? So if you wanna change and just stay one place, how you gonna move from where you're there? Changes is growth. You understand? That enough to understand that.
And we know people must tired of the whole comparison, but 438 was a solid body of work when it comes to an album. Because honestly, deep down, I'm not really a fan of Massacre the artist. I'm a fan of his work. I love the fact that him know how to put out a hit, right? And him know how to put together an album. Because you have a lot of people don't know how to do that. You have a lot of, even outside the dancehall, you have a lot of big artists in the first world countries where they know how to put out a single, but they can't put together an album.
So you're saying this one wasn't packaged correctly? First of all, when I listen to the album, I feel like
Brother, stop it, bro. Stop it. You know, na hypocrite. Me see Massacre drop a girl album. Nobody talks about it. The EP when drop last year, me fi say. Me no hear nobody talk about it. You know why? Because a Massacre alone a do it. You understand? Brother, Massacre drop some album. Him have some good songs. But you have to remember, say, brother, him have people add on to it. So you go get different angles. Alkaline a do him own a thing. Cause at the end of the day, bro, Massacre album, majority of the songs, and don't forget say Massacre song them, brother, it don't really have longevity like that, bro. You understand? It don't have longevity like that. Remember, say, on just a talk about Massacre in this time, you know. Massacre bust from about 2015. Him get him break hardball. And away at 2021 when him drop album, people say, oh, I kind of give him a recognition there. You understand? So, right now, none of the songs in Massacre album, it not even get play like a New Level and Lock right now. And New Level and Lock drop like what? Couple years way before it. New Level and Lock even drop on the US iTunes charts with the NTP album, number 2, number 1. You understand? People are listening to that same way. Charted same way. Remember say at the whole of the song them on the album, you know, Alkaline a sing a Barclay sender when him solo out, you know. Remember that, you know. No for the song them on Massacre album, people. You don't make them fool, you know. Come watch most of Massacre performance them and see how him perform and everything. See? But most of them song them on the album. Massacre don't even sing them on stage. The man don't even sing them on the 438 album. So more I'm here on the talk, bro. We not even know what go on. You see, when just run with the look of hotness and the look of hype and the thing with Massacre thing them. You see me? Because me see a lot of things where uno no see. You see it? But at the end of the day, Massacre a good artist same way. And we want the youth them reach out there. But you see, the way owner make things seems, it make things worse for the artist. That's why the thing will go on the Antigua, you know. It show him up. Because the same song them when him say, yo, Ray and prep him up at Jamaica same and artist. When him go out there in the world, it's a different reaction. Cause I remember the man him prep up Massacre with Shensia collaboration. Say a Massacre make she get it. When him got Antigua with there, and when him got Nigeria the other day, and the lady asked him, say, yo, I want to see Shensia do a collab. And then him have to tell the woman, say, yeah, we did do a collab, you know. And the woman say, eh. And then him say, yeah, man, hit and runs. And him say, oh, yeah. Because Shensia, to our Shensia dominate that song. The host over Nigeria don't even know say Massacre dep on the song. So more when I'm hearing the talk, bro, we not even know what going reality out there in the world. And just a hype up Massacre in the Jamaican space. You see it?
the song could have structured better where it start off, in my opinion, it start off too depressing, too slow.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying? But when I check the streets, I'm going live. People seem to love those 4 songs that start off the album, mostly. You get me? I said the graduate and
the vendetta.
So I say, yo, you see, if you're not a vendetta person, if it's not a person who follow Alkaline's struggle, if it's not a person who tune into Alkaline's frequency, it is like say, yo, you can't look on it because I put it out in core fan base and in core fan base love it.
Love it.
Remember, so the man said Brat in core fan base love it.
Brother, stop it, bro. Stop make it look like say a vendetta fan them alone and listen to Alkaline music. Stop it, bro. You not get the concept wrong. You understand? That's how the Barclays thing a show up all around you know, brother. Because of that you don't go around and trick the artist them, you know. You not tell the artist say, yo, Alkaline fall off and prep them up. But them still not do what Alkaline do. So no go and trick the artist them, brother, and save them or go grow and not tell them the reality. You hear that?
Them defend it to the
Can't beat that still.
But to the picture and defend it. You understand the message?
I understand.
It's like so we are look at it as outsider and we look at the outsider critique and the fan base love it.
Yeah, I get that now. I totally understand that. Yeah, him have him got the, one thing, the vendetta movement. I think right now probably I beat the Gaza movement. Like them strong. When I say them stand up strong for them artists, I'm really rate that. The fact that them support him no matter what. All these years, even when they're missing. But
no man, look here now. The Gaza, them stand up strong for the artists. Shows and stuff. But when it comes to music, like support music and all of them things that the real way like fanatic when it comes to supporting and buying music, yeah, them kinda lacking at that. The vendetta people have that over them. You understand? So yeah, but them support them artists in other ways. You see?
the thing is, the in music, I don't know, maybe it'll take a while. This album to me wasn't the best of Alkaline. Because one thing I really rate with Alkaline, and none of the other artists, them not really see with it right now. Maybe a Massacre come close, but the type of music him put out have shelf life. Like, him song them have longevity. Like, them last a very long time. Like, you can listen back at old Alkaline, him tell stories in them songs. What me hate is the little...
No, that's cap. Cap. Massacre song, no. Massacre song no have no close, no longevity like Alkaline. Stop it. Remember, say, since 438, you kind of really that talk about massacre. Massacre did it from 2015 to 2020. You never did really a meds massacre like that. You understand? Since lately, you start talk about consistency when him sign him label in a 2023 and he drop Tyrant. Around them time, they start prep up massacre and say, yo, I'm running place, consistency and all of them thing there. You stop it. Because when him go out there and sing Me See It All the While, me see Massacre perform him song and two girls turn them back right at the stage. The girl about a big head spliff. Big head spliff and the man there perform right front the girls. Like it'll be some artists when I bust it. Bro, when we go out there, you see a lot of people don't. You see me now, how me did music. Me listen music and me watch performance. And see how the crowd react and the different songs are reaction. And me I tell the people, I true people don't know what I want. But in reality, them are going to see what will happen soon. You see it?
So 1 week sang them the skin out and the dung in a throat bullshit. Like honestly, I get a lot of that from Vybz Kartel recently. And to me, I don't know, I was a little bit disappointed because him can do so much more. Like the God say, love that song to death. Like him have the potential for put out good music.
Point. God say is a quality song, but it is one of Vybz Kartel's worst performing songs.
Because people are idiots.
That's what I'm trying to tell you. Say, Alkaline go to the market with them goods and don't sell off. And I'm trying to show you. Say,
yeah.
Give me a run.
That makes sense. That makes sense.
You see, una reason and una fear cut off each other. Like, you see, say, una kind of in on no feelings, you know. Una kind of in on no feelings, dog. Me I tell you that. Una in on no feelings. Una can't even talk for give each other points and for sure, no, dog. Jaja.
Agree with you about the quality. I'm feel like say, yo, Alkaline drop the ball with this album. Based on the fact say, yo, him can say whatever, it will sell off and probably first week sales at 10,000 and something.
Yeah.
Him can sell that. I feel like he miss an important opportunity where, bro, at this level in your career, you're not supposed to look like you're trying to use controversy for sell.
Yeah, right.
I feel like that's so young artist.
Past that now.
I feel like he passed that. As for example, now,
How would the rat is this, dog? JA Radio. Are you attack them crap up on the internet, bro? Controversy? The man I sell? How are this? A joke thing, these people. No man, JA Radio sick man. I want my drink out of water. I want in a buckle. I can't water another buckle, dog.
This controversy around the wet hole. The fact say, yo, people are questioning if a minor must have about. And they must say, yo, in a aura, they must say, yo, one just turned 18 and them something. For sure, say, all right, even if she's 18, even if she is not a minor, 18 is kind of borderline for somebody in them 30s, don't it? If you say, oh, we're pre and you know what I mean? And I talk about them rage for an 18-year-old. You know what I say? And if you understand, it's kind of triggering. It's triggering for a lot of people hearing these type of subject matter. I feel like Alkaline miss an important, remember, I'm supposed to have not even Billboard, I'm supposed to have Grammy this year. And based on the content of him album, Grammy board just might say, yo, we shall never give this man a Grammy.
Yeah, but is that necessary though?
Yo, boy. Yo, so many time I have to laugh, you know. I have to laugh. People. Them people I tell the people are big time hypocrite. This is a man where usually support Vybz Kartel. Everybody know the history, brother. And the songs them a Kartel sing, bro. You understand? And for year, Uno talk like this and I talk about Grammy and all of them look at thing there, bro. You see me? Cause Uno no Grammy. Uno know what go on. You see it? Cause Grammy don't state the requirements and rate and what kind of song or whatever, bro. And negativity Uno run with, you know, bro. Me I tell you that, you know. Negativity, brother. You see it? Cause Uno just a listen for just try pin a thing for the next man. You see it? And just that you know run with. You see me?
I'm glad they bring up the Grammy thing. Like everybody run down Grammy, right? And yes, it's good to have a Grammy under your belt. But is it necessary though?
It is not necessary.
No. Oh, wait.
It's freaking necessary.
Hold on, sir.
People on a Grammy think
Hold on. No, I'm just saying, right? Look, all right. When it comes to some big artists out there, like Nicki don't have a Grammy.
Yes, that's what I'm telling you. She need to work harder.
No, you're not getting me saying that. All right, Beanie Man have a Grammy. How is that helping Beanie right now?
Him can walk forever 10 years from now and say he's a Grammy winning artist.
Saying you have a Grammy. All right, one thing you have to look on. You say new rules.
All right, before my press play, people, the Grammy thing is a accolades. Yeah, it's a accolades where you see me when no sorry to win the Grammy. It's just a label, a status, like same like how you say, all right, your doctorate or you see me have your PhD, your doctorate by your name and all of them little thing there. It's like that. So look at now. If you go introduce yourself, oh, yo, such and such, I'm a Grammy winning artist. You see me? Yeah. It give you that title there. And people can say, oh, I'm winning the Grammy. All right, yeah. And it can do some stuff for you in the music as well. It depends. You see me? It can do a well feel like you can when people hear that, they can say, all right, we can get him in a Grammy winning. Yeah. You see me? It's like when you get a degree and you know you say, all right, you get all your masters and you know, yeah, something like that. You see me? But it work in many ways. Cause sometimes you can win Grammy and then, but you have to have a plan. Like you have to have a brand where I represent and all of them little things. There, you see me? Cause you can't just have a Grammy and just put it down in the yard, you know. Now move it. But what you got to do for kind of put your career over if you not promote yourself, you not do these things. You see me? But it's a good title for have.
Alkaline again is one of the only artists right now we can sell himself and full out an arena anywhere. The man go everywhere and have new rules. That man making money. All right, I understand. Say yes, a Grammy looks good on paper. It looks good to have put on a shelf. You have people using Grammy as paperweight, bro. The man making his money. That literally all he need to do and invest his money and just be rich forever. Like I'm telling you, I feel like people prioritize this whole Grammy thing.
No, I'm not gonna be biased. I'm not Alkaline alone. I'm not gonna do that. Artists out there we can, them name and them brand and them say can sell out arena. You see me? I'm not gonna do that. You see me? No, that's a madness. Madness that. Yeah, the artists out there where can do that. Just themselves, yeah, sell out arena, yeah, them can do that. You see me? I'm not Alkaline alone.
Remember, you see as an artist, I can tell you now, as an artist putting out your artistry, being shunned for your body of work. You have a prestigious entity that give awards for artistry and you don't get none. It's like an expired for your resume. To me, still. It means that some parts of the world or some place, so a group of people decide that your project was just not good enough.
Yeah.
Brother, we're not going like say everybody will drop album means them gonna get award feed. Bro, stop it, brother. Look how much your album sign in or put in for to Grammy and it not even nominated, brother. Stop it, bro. Like I don't know say, bro, enough of them thing are politics, brother. When it comes to award, them give them favorites and all of them thing, bro. So stop it. So if you have a good or bad project, it still not make a difference, brother. You see me? It still not make a difference, dog. Everybody a politics, everybody have them friend and them links and everything and for make things go through. You could have all the best album and somebody with dead and them album the 200 will have the links and everything and go through, bro. You understand? That's how life go. You see it? Man dead in a line and wait and you wait your time and a man where they have links in a place just walk past you and get you and gone. You understand? So, brother, stop it.
And you can tell yourself you're the biggest of caliber of artists. But it means that, you put out a product where these people just did not appreciate, right?
I know.
And if anybody else will complain about Grammy, are the people outside of the club and can't get in.
And can't
see
get
what them out the door?
don't think so.
And them of course say, you must say, you that sentence about out the door waiting, just in case they can't get in.
I know,
Everybody
it looks good. The accolades, the shine, the praise, it looks good on paper, but you have a lot of broke, hungry Grammy artists
Everything is not about money, bougie. You have to understand.
I understand that.
It reach a point where sometimes enough is enough. How much money is enough? Sometimes
No, I get that.
and get nominated for a Grammy.
And him not get nominated.
And you see, if Alkaline make Mastica win over him.
Oh yeah, no, that's definitely a L.
No, so all of a sudden you say,
No, that's definitely a L, but I'm saying, is it important to him?
So we are trying to say Masika win Grammy over Alkaline, like, come on, bro. No no sense. If Masika win Grammy, like, okay, good for the artist him win Grammy. Hey, wait. Alkaline I go still do him, brother. Yeah, the fans them can say what him want to say, but he still not change the price of the bread. Alkaline I go still be the bigger artist. Him can get that title there. No means say true him get the Grammy, him go start do bigger things than Alkaline. You understand? Because look there, Keznam they win the Grammy, yeah, him a do him thing, him get him title, good look. Yeah, it's a good look for him and thing, but does it what actually do? The scale what really do for him based on alright, things here grow this and that and way. You understand? Him put in the work with him team for get the Grammy. But after you get the Grammy, there's a next journey. You understand? So if Masika get the Grammy now, yeah, he might get the Grammy, yes, alright. Good title, Grammy winning artist, dancehall artist, yeah, look good. But what's the next plan after the Grammy? When the Grammy go up on the whatnot, or go in a one vase, in a one glass, what's next? You understand? What's next? It don't mean so when you win the Grammy, yeah, go, alright, people say you win the Grammy now, yeah, alright, 50,000 people are come see you, yeah, headliner show. I know so it work, brother. You see me?
Him.
It is
To us,
important,
yes,
it is
it looks
important
that
to
way.
him and Vendetta. Bro, you can't, them consider them people as apps, Masika, bad
Yeah, for sure.
Bro, there's a lot at stake right now. And if I put out a body of work where people probably protest and reject and say, we're not you a Grammy. Remember enough, Alkaline is too big of an artist to not be an international artist. He's
That's
too
true.
big of an artist to make Skillibeng bigger than him as an artist.
Bro, what you mean by the man international? I want to tell them money, man. You can see man just solo Barclays Center by himself, you talk about man international dog. J.A. Radio, what kind of madness is there on the internet at all, bro? What is international? What, you want label sign, yo? Look how much your artists Jamaica label sign. And it still not really do nothing for them. What you mean? We're international, brother. The man I perform in a Barclays Center in a one different country. The whole world, I say, what you talk about? But not international. Not because, yeah, what they call it, commercial wise and all that. Maybe, yes, Skillibeng commercial wise and every little thing, brother. Not because Alkaline are commercial wise like Skillibeng, because I'm label and where them put him through and everything. Means Alkaline are international, brother. What kind of information that? You think Alkaline thing local, bro? Them money are mad money in a dog.
True. Skilly is a far more international artist than Alkaline. If Alkaline is able to put 13,000 people on a venue, why we can't see over so? I do nothing international.
Yes, but I think you're missing some.
Yo. So wait there. So like how Skilly international. Tell me which crowd Skilly a pull? Tell me crowd where Skilly a pull. Where the big show with the big numbers where him a pull by himself. Where that there? Bro, stop make this commercial thing and this label signing and them little thing they fool you, bro. That's what the label them do for market the artist them, brother. You understand? Stop use that, bro. Cause Skilly not have the catalog what Alkaline have. Right now, I tell you now, it's like this. Skillibeng have an Iron Man suit. Where the label give him for go and wear. You see, anytime them take off the Iron Man suit there, him not no use, brother. I see that long time. Skillibeng drop album on top of albums, bro. Nobody talks about it. Right now, the label where I'm signed for right now, them just a give him some features for go on, yeah. Go and make some money and try make back the money them when him give him. You understand? So stop fooling people and brother and misinformation about international, but Alkaline international, bro. I'm madness here, Jay.
Little parts of it, because yes, you're saying that, all right, Skillibeng have some big international collaborations, but can Skillibeng put on a new rules? I'm just saying there's so many different parts to it.
That's what I'm saying. We can flip the coin and say Alkaline can pull 30,000, but can he do what Skillibeng is doing right now internationally?
Getting the collabs. Yes, that's right.
Brother, what Skilly do for himself internationally, brother? Bro, I can't believe you make your wife if you tell her them thing, bro. You move like a bro. Are you vlogging on your wife, you know, brother? And you make your wife you have your correct pan them thing, the dog. A them thing you not make people listen to and listen madness, brother. Eh? So the man we have pulled 30,000 people. Means such a Skilly. No, people. People, tell me when last. So you are gonna discredit the man we pulled 30,000 people for a man say true him into West Skilly do international by himself, brother. If the label them not find people for collaborate a bigger artist, Tyler, Gunna, the whole of the big artists them, the big Afrobeat artists them, brother. Skilly not have no recognition forget, bro. What him do for himself right now if the label plug out them machine right now, bro. It nah gonna look good for Skillibeng. Me I tell you that. Stop make this label thing and them thing the trick on the dog. You understand? Not because I don't see Skillip and wireless and them look a show there, bro. Them they are show where people always are forward to. It's like it have it crowd already. But what is the crowd where Skilly a pull? Bro, I feel like say you wanna see an artist signed to a label overseas and him a get some commercial marketing. Wanna feel like say the artists them where they on the ground. Seeing? The artists when they on the ground and sell out them 40,000 people, I pull them 40,000, them 30,000, them 20,000. When you feel like say, yo, that is nothing, bro, you're sick in your head, bro. You see me? You're sick in your head. Cause right now them artists they make more than what Skilly make, brother. Stop make them think they fool on a dog. You understand? Not because Skilly being commercialized and the artists them international to, brother. You see me? When I misconstrue the thing. Yeah, Skillibeng out there people know him. Yeah, the label market him commercial. You understand? I saw the label work. But you can't see a man a pull 30,000 crowd, bro. Skillibeng not pulling 30,000 by himself. Him nah do that. So what that show you say? If you see a man big or do well, because me no know what Skilly have do big by himself. Una look on some collaboration, brother. Collaboration. Tell me last big hit where Skillibeng get after Crocodile Teeth and Wap Wap. Tell me. Only song when me could have say yo the remix are the same one with what you call it, Shake It to the Max. And I see him girl from Ghana, a collaboration that on remix, brother. Tell me the song after Wap Wap and Crocodile Teeth were dropped years ago. Where the big song there? Since you know same international. On a sick in on the head, bro. Is it me?
But I'm saying, so you can't say one thing is Skillibeng collaborations that can probably make what Alkaline making at the venue just to see him.
That's true. That is so true.
Say, you can't look on a man pulling crowd. It is actually embarrassing to be able to pull 13,000 where your song can't cross over. Nobody overseas no know you.
Yeah, that's true. I agree. He should be bigger when it comes to the international scene.
Yes.
Because they make Vibes Cartel come out a person and bigger internationally. Right?
That's
so we always know say Cartel just have that. Cartel no over control is social.
Who they rotted this? People. Wanna hear them people, them crap away people them attack? Me can't believe this. So wait there. So Alkaline a sell out Wembley Arena in a UK. And the man just sell out Barclays by himself. When enough, even the artists them was sign to label over the nah pull the crowd with Alkaline and pull. And una go say the man international. What kind of crap is this? What kind of crap this the people them attack? This is madness. At them information on the panel channel attack. Una look pan what Skillibeng do and try compared with Alkaline. Skillibeng in the game him sign how long. Skillibeng get just collaboration on our use, bro. When you check it, the streams them and everything are the bigger artists and make Skillibeng get that. Skillibeng not have nothing for himself. The man not have nothing for himself. Them they are people. Them have to pay. The label have to pay the big artists them for the collaboration, bro. Stop make that use and fool on brother. Because the big crowd them with Skillibeng do are bookings him a get. And them the crowd there and a theme crowd them. Because wireless and them place there, bro, a bag of artists them on wireless. So a lot of people forward wireless have them fans themselves forward out and see the bag of artists a book for the show. We now see Skillibeng a pull out the crowd the Alkaline pull, brother. Skillibeng now pull the crowd the Vice Cartel have. You understand? And Vice Cartel international before him go prison. Some don't know what not talk about Cartel come out and get more international. Brother, Cartel do shows. Cartel done international already. It's just that him never could have get access to go these places. You understand? The more demand, the demand do not watch. Man international long time. Him just could go places go perform. You understand? Cartel perform in a Barclays Center. Now the same Alkaline where they are talk about. Where the whole world I see. What you talk about? Skillibeng a solo Barclays Center by himself? Bro, stop say them thing up on the internet, brother, and make people feel like say, yeah, me sign to a label, alright, me get couple collaboration and all of them little thing there. Seeing? Yeah, big and now, there is more to it. Me prefer be an artist where I solo Barclays Center by myself with my own show than they pan a collaboration with this and that, brother. Brother, the label I collect all of that money there, bro. You understand? Me I make more money. I keep my one show in a Barclays Center. Then I get one little bookings and all of them little thing there, bro. You see me? So stop it, brother. It's more to this. So you tell me, say you prefer they on an international scale, right? With the label collect all of your money. Seeing? And you pay, you get a little money for bookings and all of them little thing. And a man we are keep him own show. We are pull fame crowd. I collect fame own money. You go tell me say that bigger than that more of a choice over where the man sell out too much crowd and every little thing. Bro, stop make this international thing fool on the bro. Better not say yes, Skilly more commercial and all of them thing there. But Alkaline international, bro. I'm sick in on the head.
Media. But at the end of the day, I'm just saying, the way how he carry himself as a person, it look like none of them things, they don't mean anything to him.
Correct.
So I'm just saying,
Understand what I
I'm kill him own career.
Alkaline is a disappointment in the dancehall. In back book is very good, but for the culture, for the genre, he could be the face of dancehall. He could be one of the biggest dancehall ever lived. I talk about if he really applies himself and wanted it. That is true. Because he might be fan base where I support him and everything. Yeah. Him is okay for the level where I'm there, but sometimes I think about the genre which is dying.
How where the rat is this? The man said the genre is, brother, you feel like say one artist can move the culture? Brother, back in the days, in a Bounty Beanie, Shower Ranks, Bujo, everybody, and them man, they have to push the thing out there, brother. What if you say, man, what if you say the man, nah, do nothing for the culture? Brother, you can't say the man are the youngest dancehall artist for solo Barclays Center, and you go say the youth nah do nothing for the culture, youth? You're sick in it as a Jamaican artist? The man even get the key for in a different country. Bro, you see, at this man are rating of people. These people see artists are the great out there. And I try discredit what the youth them a do. We are add to the culture, bro. If you see a youth a pull 1,000 people, I look a young youth, we are pull thousands of people. And it'll get that big highlight, Barclays Center. Even when him go over UK and solo out the Wembley Arena, bro, that's big for dancehall. Because it's not a bunch of artists that do that. It's a limited artists that do them big moves there, bro. So y'all look on that and feel like say, yo, as some like a small thing. Sick in on head, brother. May I tell you that?
Oh, yeah, so you have a couple of artists that flourish, but the genre itself, it now make the moves like when Elephant Man them the active and everybody else did active. Yeah. The genre is actually going backwards, and we see how Afrobeats was able to take over, dominating over even R&B and hip-hop, which is what we want to see dancehall. But see nowadays, everybody I think about them bank account mostly.
Dancehall just now reach, no, you're right. Them focus more on making the dollar. And even, me even say that with like, Cartel, we need Cartel to be more international now. You know, everybody.
How would they bombard this? No, dog. I can't believe, say, the same people them who usually rep for the guards and now them a say them want Vice Cartel more international. I can't believe this. JA Radio. Bro, you really sit down and make your wife attack them thing, dog? Eh? You can see. Bro, people, I'm music, me say. I mean, I got discredit no man thing. But you are going to sit down there and see a man, a solo, be arena. And you are going to say, man, international, brother? You want him more international? How much artists do that? Eh? Alkaline do it. Popcorn did do it back then. Cartel do it. But how much artists do it, brother? And you going to say, man, them na international? Yeah, you say, man, na international, dog. But can't, especially you. She, especially. I say them thing, brother. You understand? Una try put down the artists, them for the great work where them a do. And the worst thing, a lot of artists not doing it. So the people them where do is like this. The man them a climb the ladder for pick a fruit, for feed everybody with them on the ground. And when the man them near for reach, una discredit what them a do for the music. And then I pull down back the man out to go feed the people them on the ground. You understand? Out to go do that. Because at the end of the day, somebody have to do it. Some people have to do it. More than one too. You understand? To make the culture grow. When people say, alright, yeah, we are going to so this and that. And una talk about man for more international. That's why I'm asking, what is the meaning of international? Because I don't feel like say, oh, when a label sign and this and that and rare. Brother, stop it, dog. Stop it, brother. You understand? Stop it. Because at the end of the day, me nah, you know, say, only now say Skilly for more international. But Vice Cartel way bigger than Skilly. Bro, stop it, bro. Stop looking on commercial things, dog. You see me? The man them international, bro. Once you're over there, you're up on a big scale and you pull certain things and you see me? Yeah. Stop say the man them international, brother, and you see the man them sold out arenas and all them things. They're not mad man. Eh? How much artists do that? Not even some artists them were signed to label, not even do it much less by themselves. We're not sick.
They should. But you're right. Nobody know Alkaline overseas.
And Cartel is working
really?
on it.
Other than, well, in fan base, because I mean, in full out arena, so.
Yeah.
Clear.
Yo, people. I'm not too disrespect female like this, you know. But you gotta say nobody not to know Alkaline overseas, only in fan base. But more the people them listen this, you know. More the Gaza people them listen this, you know. More the Vendetta people them listen right now. More everybody feel listen. Them information yeah, with the people them do, bro. Them a say the culture a go down. But a them same one a bring it down. Una say Cartel for more international. Nobody no know Alkaline overseas. Bro, JA Radio, me tell you from this. Me lose off of your big time, bro. Especially you, because you do the vlogging, your wife not do vlogging, and you sit down there and make your wife say them thing, brother. You understand? I'm mad this one deal with, dog. You see it? You can't out here put out this information for make it look like say the artist them nah do nothing. You understand? You see it? I'm madness you nah do, dog.
Really, him fans, him have fans. But him not live up to him true potential. And yes, dancehall is kind of in a decline because even the young artists them, how much young artists was he bust in the last couple of years? Where them there? Where are they now?
With this album with Alkaline drop, everybody's talking about the line and nobody gives a shit about the song.
Exactly.
The song where told the music video drop, it less than, I think it reached 20,000 views yet. You have some.
Yo, people. Them just raise a point a while ago say, yo, how much artists bust and where them there? See, them not talk about them artists, you know, them talk about Alkaline. Alkaline was just sold out Barclays Center by himself. A young youth. I do it the youngest. If you do that, and the way all them attack, like the youth now do not talk about the youth, not international. Nobody not know him overseas. All him fans them. You're sick in your head, brother. So you feel like say Alkaline fans them alone go to Barclays Center? That's how you feel? Eh? So you feel like the arena them Cartel sell out? I'm fans them alone sell it out? Are people there will just love music and love dancehall? Are them thing you not talk, bro? More of the people them listening, that's why I review that video, you know. Cause I realize that your wife just forward back. You see me? And me even, you know, me the first got to work. Me even not got disrespect or anything. But me leave it to the comments. Cause this a madness. The Cartel thing with going in more international. Bro, it sound like you ain't no feelings, dog. You understand? Cause at the end of the day, I want dancehall. And we need more artists to do this, sell out arena them thing there. So the culture can grow, bro. And start bring up this Afrobeat thing, brother. Wanna stop it, bro. Wanna stop it. Wanna have to remember say Africa way bigger than Jamaica, so they might get more support, bro. You understand? I remember say a wedding Afrobeats artists start lift up, and the reason why them lift up, brother, them have quality music, beats, and every little thing, bro. Stop it, brother, and them have more support. 3 million people getting so much millions of people in a dog. You understand? I remember say these artists signed to major labels. You see me? We have pushed them out there with the quality and everything, brother. You see me? And anyway you take it, them always are gonna pull more numbers because them have more support. A little Jamaica with in a dog. We have to look on these things. Why not think that the US artists them are big too? Because them have more capacity, 390 million or 350 million people. We just have close to 3 million people, brother. Our little thing can't really support our artists to make them go big out there in the world. We need the world to be big, to get bigger out there. You understand? Dancehall can only do what it can do, brother. We have to understand that. You see me? Appreciate what the artists them are do out there. Every little make a muckle, dog. We just a little part shares of the music worldwide. You see me? So give thanks to that. Things take time, brother. Remember say Bob Marley take him time to him thing. Every artist take them time to them thing, bro. You see me? So remember that a big man is on the day you're talking, you know. You see me?
With no music video, graduate, far I get more views than it. Some of me that say weak, where you get that say in core love it. Right? So the controversy at this point, we know say a controversy about Alkaline and bringing me. But I say, bro, 10 years later, you still I try to use controversy. That show how much
That's who he is.
That's how much work he need to do. He know within himself say he hasn't had a major hit
In a very long time.
Big song, you know.
Yeah, I'm still like.
So me ask, how many artists now have a major hit for a long while now? I realize say Alkaline alone on a call out like say, when I feel like say one man can run dance, carry the genre, go to the world, brother. When I feel so, every day I always attack, yo, Alkaline no get major hit, Alkaline no do this. But why is Alkaline the youngest dancehall artist for solo out Barclays Center? If the same artist them wanna say, I get this bag of hits, and them not doing what Alkaline doing, don't something look wrong there, so? Eh? Something no look wrong there, so? It means, brother, the reality we now look pan, it not past 2020 vision, dog. I'm telling you already. You understand? And we in a Barclays Center, show up the industry. Because uno will not talk about no get this or it and no get this or that. You have to understand, you know, bro. Remember, you know, bro, Alkaline is an independent artist, you know. You have to remember that. And majority of the songs them will really go the big way. Them have push, them have engine behind them. You understand? Alkaline have him plan. Where him want, him a use for him plan for reach where him want reach. And the youth a reach. Because if him are the youngest to do that in a Barclays Center, means say him a reach, everybody are looking. You know much people when people hear that, yo, Alkaline do this, you know much promoter look right now. Even the man price gone up, cause look at promoter. When promoter see when pull this up and the controversy around the show and everything. Fans reaction, everything. Where you think promoter say him, I forgot book the artist, you know. He might go work with any price to Alkaline and tell him, cause them see what go on in Barclays. So no can go on here. You feel like say, when you solo Barclays Center and solo some other place, people now looking and see what go on, they might go see the reaction and the fans reaction and say, yo, me need to go see that artist here. So no can go on stay there, that me I tell you no.
You're not the big champion boy yet. I'll know. But him have some song with him core fan base love, and I think right now him still just focused on him core fan base. Him only put out music for the vendetta people them, and you know how them cult mentality stay. All if the song no good, yo, my artist dropping out, we're gonna play it over and over and over and over again. Like.
So what is the most important thing to an artist? Name fans them. Me not understand this. Name fans them. Eh? So so wait there. Alkaline did tell us that he might put out music for him fans alone. I don't me here with this narrative, you know. So wait, the songs them with the hit songs them Alkaline have. Oh, I did him fans them him that put out them too alone. You feel like so when an artist release music, if him fans alone him a put out music out there. Put out music. But who I'm fans, I go rate the song. You understand? I saw it go. Remember say some of my time, remember when Skillibeng drop wap up with people, I say a Shaggy. Enough time me on say Shaggy song. I know me realize when Sean Storm drop a hit scratch and it run on TikTok. And everybody are dance to the hit scratch. Where is that song now? These are the things we want to run with. See, but when you hear different and quality, you don't know how it go reach us. Because you feel like, say, okay, when an artist sing one song at Jamaica, it stop. You understand? Some of the time. But you don't know, say, brother, people over there kind of feel like Alkaline have fans all over the world, brother, like any other artist. You understand? So no might feel like, so even white people listen to dancehall, everybody listen to dancehall, bro. You see me? Not because you know see them on certain platforms and I get certain highlight, no means to them international. Once y'all do shows over so, and y'all live overseas and all that, many things of international, brother. You can see a man I say like Barclays Center and y'all say nobody no know him. And what a joke. Yo, people, some joke thing them depending on me, I tell you.
So
that's what I said.
Him stuck in a little box there, but it make him money and it look like that's all him care about.
Yeah.
So,
but what I say is that you need to understand, say, yo, him core good, him core not gonna know it.
Yeah.
Him core love him to death, but the time now to elevate the thing. You get what I say? And you missed the mark with this album, Alkaline. I mean, know you see it too, because you expect, say, yo, when time people hear a line, oh my God, please burn down. But yo, all we do I talk about it and all we do I put up.
Watch out.
Alright, so people, as you can probably tell, my son need me right now, alright? But we're gonna definitely continue this.
Yo, people, let me tell them, I want to really listen. This is a serious situation, you know. Don't make them people chat crap. You see, as an artist, having your fan base that's supporting your music is the best thing for you. Remember me tell you that. Is the best thing for you. It better you have a fan base where you're sure about, where you go buy your music, than dead so and you don't have none. Your fans will keep you alive, will keep you support, they will put you on this a chart and put you on this a chart. When you say, yo, Ro, you have a 10,000 venue, and your fans are going to come. You understand? No make them fool you. It's a trap this. For make like the artists, them nah do nothing. You understand? That's what them use. Cause them not even know say brother. Them thing you for highlight what the youth do. What Alkaline do is great. Remember what me tell you. Don't make them follow your people. You understand? Alkaline just gone 13 years in his career. The youth have way more time. Enough more time to. For do what him do. Remember saying man do things when enough of the artists when were there before him now do, you know. And never do yet, you know. And the youth do it by himself. So how now go say yo the youth not great and him nobody no know him overseas. I only him fans them. Then when him fans them live no internationally. When them people and then yo, that's what I'm telling you, know. I kind of allow them to Gaza people because if you know say them usually rep the Gaza and then them go say them need cartel for more international. Yo, that's one of the worst thing nonsense for say, you know. If you see a man sell out a bag of arena when enough artists were international not doing it, especially in a short space of time. You see me? But people, we don't know, you know. One media facts, you know. Yeah, man. Pick up on yourself. That is it.